I don't want like entirely too much going on because it's too hot for all that. First, I will have a wig head. I will not be using the wig stand. I'm gonna try to film the best video using just the wig head. as you see, I did sew this down first, and then I added the tracks at the back. It's like a brown lace, but it's not too harsh, but I kind of like mine to be a little bit brighter. I'm gonna put the powder on the lace, you know, get like one of these little sponge things, and I just got these from Walmart, and I think they'd be like $2, but yeah, you can get like one of those and just dab it in there. You don't need too much of the powder, and just put it on there and make it look more natural. And if you want to see me wear the actual wig or anything, you can just follow me on Instagram at Creasy Daily, and you can follow me on Twitter at Creasy Daily. You can add me on Snapchat at Creasy Daily, and you will be seeing me slay in this wig. And I just love it. Like, look at this. Woo, 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 woo. This is how you ball on a budget. You feel me? And so if you like videos like this and you want more videos like this of me doing little tutorials on hair and just showing you how I do my thing, comment down below. Also share this video if you can. I'll see you in my next video. I think this wig is popping. I mean, nothing with these. Like, I don't hear you, okay? Nah. And I really hope y'all enjoyed watching me with my ghetto finesse tutorial. Post picture. Once again, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And follow me on all my social networks, which will be in the description box. Turn on your bells, you know what I'm saying, so you can know when I post. I will be posting more frequently because I mean, hey, I'm starting to get this whole little editing thing down, you know. It's over. It's over. Once I get anything down, once I get this whole life thing down, nah.